is my new friend. What's your name? What is your name? Yeah, this is my new friend. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. So it is 10:40 during the day, and my keyboard class just got over. So today I have to clean my room. I have to do my homework because guests are coming and everything. So it's gonna be a lot of. So the cook has come again, but a different one. So today we're gonna get to have so many delicacies, so many sweets. Also, guys, for breakfast today I'm gonna be having cup noodles because I felt like it. I have not had cup noodles in a while now, so once in a while it's okay. Otherwise, I eat good, healthy food. Except some sugar, okay? Anyway, so the vlog is getting uploaded, and now let's go to eat one or two gulab jamuns and eat cup noodles. Okay, so the cook has come, and all of this is getting made. Gulab jamuns, yummy. This is lady finger, and this is potatoes. So the gulab jamuns are being soaked in the sugar syrup. So we're having these cup noodles. That's cup noodles masala. Okay. Let's see how they are. I've never ever had these. And guys, I only have it once in a while, so I don't have it all the time. Looks so good. Some of it needs to be covered. By the time our noodles are getting prepared, let us brush our teeth. I can't put you guys on the gimbal because it's broken. Bruh. Guys, my mother is transferring the noodles into a mug because she doesn't want to put hot water inside plastic, and then the plastic will melt. So that is why it's not healthy for you. So guys, whenever you're having cup noodles, do this until you are traveling somewhere. By the time our noodles are getting prepared, let's have gulab jamun. It's piping hot, so let's see how they are. Very good. Like melting in the mouth. Love them. Wow. Wow. Okay, so our cup noodles are here, just that they are a bit watery, but still we'll have them. I have not had them in ages, and they smell really good. They're like, okay, good. They don't have that much of masala in them, but they're good. I'll show you. So there's this new golden retriever. Can you see that? That is Cooper. He's so cute. Yeah, he's new. He's just 3 months old, but he's still very small. Guys, the street dog is there. How are the society people allowing street dogs in here? It's very dangerous and are just running and exploring our society. It's very wrong. Nobody shoots away the street dogs. I changed my clothes a bit, and we got a new Ganesha tree. Look at this, we got this. Now we're exchanging this instead of this. So this is gonna be put. So khandvi is getting made. This is the mess created. So much of mess, you guys. So the wall has been done. Now there's gonna be new wallpaper. Our table is all messed up. This is gonna be cleaned. The things are gonna be cleaned there. This is gonna be cleaned. Okay guys, so it's 5:20 and I have to take a bath right now and then go down to the park, and then we're gonna come back early. So as the guests are coming. So I cleaned up my entire room. The bed sheet is looking good. I put my curtains on because first I wasn't able to find them, then I found them. And I put them on because see, whenever I'm doing my classes, it gets really hot and then my room gets super duper hot. When winter start, I might remove them. Also, my OOTD will be this shirt which I wore and these jeans. See, my entire room is cleaned. I have put this lamp. Wow. Look at this. Anyways, let's take a bath and I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so now I took a bath. How do I look? I look like before? Yes, I do. Okay, let's go to the park. I'm not sure about... Oh no, lift. I am not sure about any dog though. Because why not? The guests are coming and even I'm hungry. There are gonna be so many snacks, so much of food. Guys, so hopefully the guests would have come and let's see if they have come. I'm so excited. Eat yummy food, yummy in so much time. Today I came early because I wanted to and I haven't had a lot of food, so I'm gonna be like finishing off all the food. Okay guys, so I had a few snacks. I'm gonna show you everything in a while, but right now we're going to meet Zoe and Amigo. The guests have fully arrived. Guys, so I came back and now it is 10 o'clock and I'm feeling sleepy. I don't know why. And now we're gonna have food. The cook has gone, but the food is still getting made. Okay, so our society is looking so good. The lights have been lit up there. People have it in their houses. Wow. And people underneath us have it. It's actually very pretty. we actually bought lights for Diwali and it got spoiled. We got them last year, so now we're not buying new ones. Also, guys, it feels really good when you think about Diwali, lights, and everything. But then, what do I tell you? There's so much of pollution on Diwali. Diwali is more like a horror these days. I don't know. The lights and everything look so pretty. But then, it at times it's so bad. Is it always important for you to burst crackers on Diwali? If you want to celebrate, be happy. You can put lights like these. You can do so much more. Like share sweets, spend quality time with your friends and family. Diwali always does not mean bursting crackers. Guys, sometimes I get really serious at this because bursting crackers is first of all creates a lot of noise pollution. It is fun to see it, but then you don't know the side effects. And today I was like to my friend, don't burst crackers, don't burst pop-ups. So there's basically these small crackers called pop-ups, so don't burst them. He's like, why not? They create like very less pollution. Then I'm like, everybody in this world are like, they create less pollution, how does it matter? And that less pollution, slowly everyone does it, so won't it get into a big thing? On Diwali we had to wear masks in 2019 also, now too we have to, coronavirus. Oof, now I'm gonna have my food. I might not edit at night, I'll edit tomorrow. Okay, so guys, now I will get my diet on track because see, even for a kid, a lot is not good. So I am gonna so I won't have a lot of sugar. I mean, like not table sugar, like sucrose. And also, guys, for when we have to go somewhere, like even what do you call it, from one place to another, which is just some meters away, we take our car. But why can't we walk? What's wrong in walking? The car will waste your fuel. Then secondly, it creates pollution. See, I am really going on this pollution matter because now we don't know what's gonna happen of the earth if this continues, if this Diwali thing continues. Everyone blows crackers and they're like, what will happen if I blow crackers? The rest of everybody does. So everyone thinks like that I only blow crackers, other people also blow, but how will it make a difference from my crackers? And slowly small pollution becomes into a big pollution, and the days of Diwali, like some days before Diwali and after Diwali, are literally a nightmare because there's fog everywhere, you're not able to see anything. It's bad for asthmatic people. It's pretty sad. So guys, please try avoiding crackers. Don't burst crackers. Just enjoy Diwali by sharing sweets with your loved ones, spending time with them, playing games, like doing puja with your family members, just respecting Goddess Lakshmi. See, we are actually disrespecting goddesses because we burst crackers, and we are when we burst crackers, this pollution destroys our earth, which is basically disrespecting the gods because they only made our earth, right? Anyways, a lot is done, so it's gonna be very interesting to see Diwali, except the crackers, so much of noise. None of my friends are that, like, they never want to listen to anybody, not even me. What's wrong with them? I don't know. Anyways, so I'll see you guys. Okay, now we're playing with my friend. This is my new friend. What's your name? What is your name?
Kyra.
Yeah, this is my new friend. Right now we're making a chain and we're separating all the colors. Okay. So we're making a chain.
Yeah.
So have we separated all the colors? Like,
because
what's the pattern?
pattern is yellow, green, red, blue.
Okay, of this. Nice. So Kyra and me made this.
Okay, wait. I'll call.
Wow, guys. So it's gonna start from here, go till there, and like that. So guys, it's all night. We broke the dominoes. Everyone's gone. It's 11:40 now. So I will end this vlog before 12, and after 12 will come, you know. Everyone's tired. These are the amount of dishes which are done. Look at this huge mess, and this separate, then a lot of food, rice, so much. Then our drawing room is all cleaned, and there will be bed sheets put on the sofas. Okay, so we're all ready to sleep. Now I will change my clothes, and let's see which phone we get. It's gonna be a surprise for you guys. I still don't know which one I'm getting, but I'm getting one. And so it's 5 minutes to 12, so I'm gonna show you guys more things after 12. So now let's change everything, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Like, share, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell. I don't have much time, so bye guys.